cut me 2 of these to the other side. Go ahead and cut me 1 more. Now let's get a grinder and grind off that little nubby bit. Now, the fun thing about this is, with that new front wheel on there, you can do this. Oh. Not what I wanted. Oh yeah, baby. See, that's what we like. So all I need now is a hubcap, which I've got some. I think I've got some smaller washers. If not, I'm pretty sure I could find some. But it'll have a little smaller hole, but it'll be the right size to make that front wheel hubcap. And we can either cut a little round piece of something white, or Luke can paint the white sidewall on that front tire. And he could also, like I say, take a Dremel tool and put some notches in that tire. That turns that from being a non-workable toy into a workable toy, and from there we can take it on further. Now while I got this out here, I'm going to blow the dust off of this thing, because I did notice it's quite dusty. Quite dusty. Hold your ears, I'm going to turn the air compressor on. You know that's what tires use to compress air with. They use a R compressor. R. Compress me some air, baby, with the R compressor. The back axle looks a little extra wide to me. This may have been a truck with a large back end card on it. I'm gonna run this toy in, put it on the shelf, and bring the other one out. I got some recipients here that needs to go in too. Try to save my recipients for taxual purposes, taxification, because the government likes to keep track of what I buy. They don't want to see me out here buying no nuclear reactors or what's them things you used to go back in time with, and transducer, capacitor, flux capacitors. They don't want me to see. They don't want the common man having them things, because they know we'd build like time machines and nuclear weapons, and then we'd go back in time and we'd buy 57 Chevys and things like that. We bring them back to the present. They don't want us getting away with that kind of shenanigans. Oh, let's turn the wrong way. Oh, the joy.